Hey there, it's Peggy Cleary from ABC's new comedy, The Kids Are All Right. I'm a mom of 8, and I'm about to show you some great household hacks that help me stay sane and manage to keep everyone alive. Jeans with a couple holes in them? Are you crazy? We can't throw these away. It's still a perfectly good piece of clothing. Let me show you what to do. See? Good as new. Totally groovy. How on earth could you go out wearing this boring old thing? A few snips and stitches and you can have a totally new jacket. This is so much better. Now we have a stylish coat that can be handed down from one boy to the next. We don't waste things around here, we reinvent. I'm telling you, you would never know this once held a delicious and nutritious beverage containing 10% juice. Brand label condiments are for snobs. You don't have to be so fancy. What do you think, you're royalty or something? Plus, my homemade hack tastes so much better. We call this one our little secret. Your family will never know the difference. I just want to make sure people eat, and organization is key with a family of 8 boys. Here's a creative way to make sure everyone gets fed and stops complaining. You enjoyed these household hacks. With 8 boys of my own, I need all the help I can get, and no doubt your family will love them too. You're welcome for dinner at our home anytime you want. You may just have to eat over the sink. It gets a little crowded in here. And listen, The Kids Are All Right premieres Tuesday, October 16th at 8:30, 7:30 Central on ABC, and every Tuesday after.
The year was 1972.
Make room for you, brother.
Yeah, I wasn't done with my pork chop.
Eat it over the sink.
And in our family of 8 boys,
This ketchup tastes funny. It's only different because Mom made it.
So fancy now, I can only eat store-bought ketchup?
it was a time of peace, love,
This is my girlfriend.
How on earth would Eddie get a girlfriend?
Lots of kids our age are going together.
But not with Eddie.
and prosperity.
I have asthma.
We can't afford asthma. Go back outside and play.
The Kids Are All Right premieres Tuesday on ABC.